బంగారు నగలు తాకట్టు పెట్టబోతున్నారా? వద్దు. తక్కువ డబ్బులు ఎక్కువ వడ్డీ ఎందుకు? సింపుల్గా శ్రీ స్టార్ గోల్డ్ కంపెనీకి రండి. జర్మన్ టెక్నాలజీ, ప్యూరిటీ చెక్, బెస్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ రేట్లో అమ్మి 2 minutesలో క్యాష్ని ఇంటికి తీసుకువెళ్ళండి. ప్రశాంతంగా ఉండండి. కాల్ 6366 333 444.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళా ప్రతి ఒక్కరి పేర్లు చదివేయాలంటే మొత్తం టైం అంతా అయిపోతుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ తారల మధ్యలో నేను ఉండటం నాకు ఈరోజు చాలా ఎప్పుడు జీవితంలో ఊహించని ఇది వినయ్ వీళ్ళంతా నాకు చేశారు. నేను ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎన్నో ప్రాజెక్టులు చేసినా ఇలాంటి గ్రాండ్ ఇనాగరేషన్ నేను ఇంతవరకు చూడలే. సో ఇది ఒక ఆనందమైన ఘట్టం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది అంటే మనకు జనరల్గా ఈరోజు ఎవరైనా ఒక పెళ్ళి చేయాలంటే ఆ పెళ్ళి కొడుకు ఏంటి, పెళ్ళి కూతురు ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ చదువు ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ వెనకాలే ఉంది, ముందే ఉంది, ఇన్ని చాలా ఆలోచిస్తారు. ఇప్పుడున్న పరిస్థితుల్లో ఒక రియల్ ఎస్టేట్లో ఎస్పెషలీ అసలు ఎవరు కడుతున్నారు, వాళ్ళ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఎప్పుడు ఇస్తారు అనేది దానికి ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఫస్ట్ బయ్యర్ అనేవాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా వస్తే వాళ్ళకి వచ్చే ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ డౌట్ అది. సో వీటన్నిటినీ ఈరోజు మనం చెప్పడానికి ముందు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను ఏంటి అనేది నేను చెప్పదలుచుకున్నా. నేను ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ మై బిజినెస్ 1973 ఎండింగ్లో. నేను ఐఎమ్ ఏ పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ ఇన్ అగ్రికల్చర్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ ఆల్ civil contracts. I can proudly say I am far better than any other engineer in India. So that is it is known in the entire country as a contractor. If you ask anybody in the country, Sinaya is known to everybody. So that is my career. I basically first I started with my work in highways, national highways only. We are into national highways, and we completed more than 3,000 kilometers road projects in the country. And I constructed parliament building in Afghanistan, Indian embassy also in Afghanistan. So that is my experience. Recently then, of course, about 4 years back, I got into, of course, my company. I am managing director of B. Sinaya and Company Projects Limited. That is my company. I am the managing director since inception. Even today I am continuing now. But still, besides this, I worked as a National Highway Builders Federation founder president. I continued for 6 years. And then Builders Association of India is the mother organization which was started 1941. I was national president for that organization in 13-14. So in the other organizations also I was there, but that is see in the construction industry I have, but whenever I take up one project, I fully get involved in that project from the inception till it is completed. Planning, machinery, and how to complete, and the in time completion, and then quality. I am known for the quality and fast completion of any project that you can ask anybody in the country. That is, if such is the case, I am the only person I can say proudly. So recently, about 3 years back, I started one high-rise building that is with 37 floors, premium villa apartments near Appa Junction. Everybody might be knowing. That is facing towards the Himayat Sagar. And the beauty of that project is the ground floor starts 50 feet above the natural ground. From there they starts and 37 floors with 11 feet 8 inches of each floor to floor height. So that first project, just it is nearing completion by April. I am going to complete around 366 apartments. The minimum size is 5,000 square feet, 6,000 and 7,000 SFT. That is the project of that nature. So now, with that experience, now I came to know about this particular plotted area, Rudraram. Now I took over that project. Now just I want to start this project maybe in the month of November. Soon after I get the NOC from the HMDA, then I want to start by taking all the permissions for each villa project. This particularly this villa project, see there is a total 500 and odd plots are there. In that 391 plots I took over, and then I want to build all 391 villas. See some are almost 50% are east facing and 50% west facing, and fully G+2 villa with 2,925 square feet in 167 square yards area. That is, see, I am providing 2 to 3 car parkings at ground level. My object is nobody should park on the roads, internal roads, because if you go to any villa project today in Hyderabad, most of the cars are being parked on the road only. That I want to strictly this prohibition for parking the cars on the road. That's the most important. It should be free for movement, because that's why I am providing. This is, of course, the villa is 2,925 square feet. Maybe mostly people might be having 2 cars. Even they can have some parking for their motorcycle or anything. Even if they want to park 3 cars also is possible. So that is the beauty of this project. And at the ground floor, we are providing 1 guest bedroom and servant quarter with all other facilities for the servants also. And the living starts only first and second floor. So this is mostly 3 bedroom villa, and there is approach for the top of the villa. So this is the entire construction is totally concrete walls here, and foundation also pile foundation. Actually, most of the people everywhere go for open foundation, but whereas because of the soil condition, I want to go for pile foundation, and then it will be started. So my thought process is I want to complete the entire project in 18 months time. So once I start, first I want to take up some 50 villas. 50 villas I want to complete in 50 days. That is the beauty of this way. So once somebody comes and gives the advance, I want to hand over within 2 months from the date of receipt of the money advance. So that then they need at least 3 to 4 months time to do all their interiors, so they can start living immediately after the interiors are over. So why it can be done? Because this plotted completed project to this area, because already existing project it has got power supply, water supply, drainage, sewerage, all roads, everything is readily available. Suppose if somebody purchases and if he does his interiors, we can connect each and everything to that landowner, so that they can start living. That is the beauty of this project. That is my thought process. With God's grace, with the help of everybody, I am hopeful of completing this project within 18 months. That is my thinking.